I am Dr. Pankhuri Saxena, Associate Professor at Jagannath University. I am the course coordinator for the subject Organizational Behavior. Name of the course is Organizational Behavior. Course credit 4. Course category Core, Semester 1. Course objective: to understand the basics of organizational behavior, nature of organization behavior and its objective. Second, to explain the impact of different parameters on individuals and the relation between the individual and their environment. To analyze different types of personality theories, motivational theories and an analysis of individual behavior. The core objectives are to know the principle, concept and theories of organizational behavior and recognize the individual and the group behavior in the organization. So, describe, analyze and understand personality types, perception, learning process on human behavior, understanding different motivational theories and analyze motivational strategies used in a variety of organizational settings. Review and examine the organization system, including structure, culture, human resource, and change. Understand and analyze change in the organizations and apply a proactive and holistic approach toward dealing with employee resistance towards the change. LMS contents. LMS has 4 quadrants as under. In quadrant 1, e-tutorials, it includes introductory video of the course, content, videos, audios on each unit of the syllabus. Quadrant 2, e-content, it contains self-instructional material, e-books, web resources, research papers and journals and other reference material. In quadrant 3, it is discussion forum for raising the doubts and clarifying them on a near real-time basis. Different topics on emerging issues will be uploaded from time to time and students will participate in discussion. Quadrant 4, it relates to the assessment which contains multiple choice question, short question answers and long answers question. All the above have been uploaded unit wise at LMS. Now the learning process guiding note. Relevance of the course. The organizational behavior is really important for the person who is studying a BBA curriculum. So in different units we came to understand the concept and the nature of the organizational behavior, how it works, what are the functions of the organization, what are the different types of organization, we can understand from the unit 1. Learning objective, definitions and the meaning, key elements, scope of the organizational behavior we can understand by learning organizational behavior. We can understand the organizational behavior, the challenges that the organizational behavior manager face in his or her day-to-day life and how to overcome them. While studying organizational behavior, we can understand personality, theories of personality, the frameworks, different types of frameworks, different types of personality, how the individual reacts in common situation, locus of control, type and type B, type of personalities, assessment of the personalities traits. Then we study the perception, how the perception is vary from individual to individual for a common thing. So in that we learn meaning and definition of the perception, perceptual process, errors of the perception, attitude, meaning and definitions, dimensions of the attitude, job satisfaction, and how the perception of the individual and the attitude reflects his or her job satisfaction and organizational commitment. Next, we can learn the learning meaning and the importance of learning, approaches to learning, classical conditioning, operant conditioning, and social learning. Different types of theory we can understand by learning. Motivation, we will understand the term motivation, its meaning, importance, theories of motivation, Maslow hierarchy theory, different theorists who has given the theory for the motivation. Then the goal setting theories we can understand. Then after that we will study the conflict management as the stressful situation, how the organizational manager can handle these stressful situations. So in that we will study conflict, meaning stages of conflict, strategies of managing conflict, and then we will study the different types of leadership and management, leadership styles, traits and skills of the leader, transformational, transactional, charismatic leadership. So then we will study the culture of the organization. What are the elements which will help in maintaining the culture of the organization? Organizational structure, then we study the organizational structure, elements of organizational structure, different types of organizational structure. Then we study the design of the structure, traditional and the modern ones. Then how to induce change in the organization. Then we will study the organizational change, internal and the external change, models of change, and how resistance to change and overcome the resistance. Then the pedagogical process, live classes, assignment, quizzes, FAQs, clarifications, and journal misconceptions will be cleared out in this process. Additional activity, we will use the master classes, lecture by industry expert and professionals, and the case study method. Reference books that we will use in this curriculum is the Stephen P. Robbins, Organizational Behavior, Maggie Park and Rajan Gupta, Organizational Behavior book, and suggested reading is Uday Parikh, Understanding Organizational Behavior, and Alam Prasad of Organizational Behavior. Thank you.